Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog grooming clippers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bousnic 2-speed professional dog clippers. On the other end of the price spectrum, you'll find the Bousnic dog clippers, though it would be a mistake to assume that they're inferior because of their lower price point. While this grooming clipper can't match the previous Wahl professional animal model when it comes to raw performance, it beats it out in value for money. This grooming kit is one of the cheapest options around, but unlike other cheap clippers, this one uses a quality motor. The motor is the most likely component to fail on any set of dog grooming clippers, and it seems like Bousnic has equipped this product with one that is surprisingly reliable. All too often, buying a budget set of dog grooming clippers is like walking through a minefield of products that will fail within a week of use, but this product will keep going strong for months if not years. This clipper also runs much quieter than other products, which will make it less likely to scare your dog. Unlike other bargain dog grooming clippers, this set features 2 speed levels, allowing you to conserve battery when necessary. There is even a digital indicator that will let you know how much longer you can expect the battery to last. Finally, this model also comes with a complete set of accessories. Even though most budget clippers have a reputation for poor build quality, this clipper kit from Bousnic combines reliability with features that have previously only been on mid-range and high-end choices. Features such as a lithium-ion battery and a low operating volume help make this one of the best value for money dog clippers around. Moving on at number 4, we have the Oster A5 2-speed professional dog clipper. We have a model from Oster, who is known for the excellent quality of their dog grooming clippers. The Turbo A5 2-speed is right in the middle of their animal clipper product line, and it features everything except for advanced ergonomics of Oster's more expensive products. Despite its cylindrical shape, the Turbo A5 is not an uncomfortable set of dog grooming clippers to use, and the ridged grip helps to ensure that you don't drop it. While the standard Turbo A5 runs at 3,100 SPM, this 2-speed model features rates of 3,100 and 4,000 SPM, which can be toggled at your discretion. As this dog grooming clipper is part of Oster's Professional Groomers series, then it can work with nearly all kinds of fur, ranging from a drop coat to a long double coat. Like many other mid-range competitors, this set of dog grooming clippers features a detachable blade that can eventually be replaced and also facilitates cleaning. Oster has not disappointed with the Turbo A5 2-speed, and we'd argue that the additional setting makes this dog grooming clipper model a better choice than the base Turbo A5 model. This clipper set also comes with extras including blade oil, grease, a brush, and more. The only thing missing is an ergonomic handle. At number 3, we have the Andis XL Pro 5-speed dog clipper. If you're willing to spend more money on higher quality, then the Andis XL Pro 5-speed dog clipper will be ideal for you. While this is one of the most expensive products on this list, it comes with a variety of features that aren't present on more affordable options, namely 5 different speeds. The wide range of speeds allows you to choose the best option for the dog that you're grooming, so these dog grooming clippers are excellent for owners of several pets. If one of your dogs has delicate fur, but the other one has a thick double coat, then the wide range of adjustments in this model will work well for you. This clipper is also meant to be easier to use, as it features an ergonomic shape coupled with a non-slip grip. The ceramic blade that comes with this clipper is another notable improvement over competing models, as it will absorb far less heat than a comparable one made out of steel. While the high price point of these clippers will make most buyers opt for an alternative, the Andis XL Pro is perfect for users who need power and versatility. Some users may find that the 5 speeds are overkill, but breeders and families with a lot of pets will appreciate this clipper's versatility. At number 2, we have the Wahl Professional Animal MiniArco. This is the last high-end set of dog grooming clippers that we'll be covering in our guide, but it's certainly not the least of them. The Wahl Professional Animal MiniArco features a powerful motor that is powered by a high-capacity battery, giving you all of the benefits of a rechargeable cordless clipper with none of the downsides. This trimmer from Wahl Professional Animal is equipped with a number 30 blade and 2 attachment guide combs to cater to trimming needs at specific lengths. It also provides at least 45 minutes of cordless runtime and weighs merely 4 ounces, thereby enabling effortless grooming and trimming. Housed in a distinctive champagne-colored hard plastic casing, this single-speed clipper operates at 6,000 SPM at low noise levels of 66 decibels. It also comes with a generous 1-year warranty. This MiniArco clipper from Wahl Professional Animal is perhaps one of the least expensive and better clipper models you can find on the market so far. Its cordless lightweight design is what appeals to us most. And finally at number 1, we have the Oneisall Dog Clippers. These clippers from Oneisall boast an affordable price point that makes them an attractive set of clippers for beginners. If you've never trimmed your dog's coat before and you're looking to take your tentative first steps into dog grooming, you'll love the low price and simple controls of this model. This set of clippers comes with a rechargeable battery that provides you with additional freedom of movement while in use. You can also connect a cable and use these clippers in wired mode if the battery dies before you've finished grooming your pet. A low level of noise and vibration helps make these clippers more appealing for pets, as they won't be scared off by a high-pitched whine. There are even 4 guard combs that come with these clippers. This impressed us, as you wouldn't expect to get many accessories with such an affordable product. For customers who don't want to risk too much money figuring out whether or not they're up to the task of grooming their dog, these clippers are a reliable and user-friendly option. This product even comes included with everything you need to get started: fur shears, a comb, a cleaning brush, and guide combs. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.